guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'll be sharing with us on how to make date syrup from the comfort of our home. So we all know that date syrup is very beneficial for our babies because it promotes brain activity. It is filled with fiber, antioxidants and minerals. It also helps your baby's teeth grow faster and stronger. Your baby will have healthy hair and enhances their skin. Date does a lot of things for your babies. So first you want to start by deseeding your dates. After that, you wash it properly, transfer it into a pot, put enough water that is going to cook your dates. From time to time, you notice that the water is reducing. Please keep adding water just to make sure that your date is very soft. When it is soft enough, you start mashing it. Keep mashing it until you have somewhat consistency like this. Then you transfer it into a cheesecloth and start straining out your juice. You can use your turning stick or whatever you have that will help you because it's going to be very hot. Add a little bit of water to get more juice. When you've gotten enough juice, then you put your dates back on fire and allow it to cook. It will cook for 20 to 30 minutes thereabouts, depending on the quantity of the dates, even up to an hour. And once you notice that the foam is changing color just like this, then you know that your date is ready. Please set it aside, allow it to cool down, then you put it in a container and put it in the freezer. It can stay for 3 good months in the freezer. Please don't put your date in a counter because it will ferment just like when you put, just like how palm wine ferments. Yes, and you can't take it anymore, it is bad. So your date is ready. You can serve your baby, serve with pap or whatever you feed your child. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.